My name is Rob Miller. I am a research director at Peraton Labs, and I have to say we are very proud to be a sponsor here at the conference this year because we use GNU Radio rather extensively across of our locations in New Jersey, Maryland, and New Hampshire, where we're about 450 researchers strong. So I'll say that GNU Radio has been fairly essential to a lot of our signal processing development and prototyping of solutions. And what I'd like to share today is essentially a couple of different programs that are focused on wireless test range explorations. And to do that, I'm actually going to jump on here and just go to the web and point you guys hopefully to the Peraton Labs website. Bear with me. And these, uh-oh, did I type it? I must have typed it wrong, huh? Let's try that again.
Just type in the pound GNU Radio 2022 and then.
Oh yeah, pound GNU 2022. All right, sorry about that. I promise not to go to any shady sites yet. Okay, so two projects I wanted to chat about are about, like I mentioned, wireless test ranges. Number one is how to understand a little bit more about what's going on in the spectrum. So we have a solution called SecureSense right here that is essentially a suite of distributed signal processing sensors that are heterogeneous in nature to help you provide a user better understanding of what's going on in the electromagnetic spectrum. So signal detection, signal classification, even to localization, particularly so that you can utilize spectrum in a much more efficient manner. So this is our dashboard right here, and I'd encourage anybody interested in these types of algorithm developments and deployments. Take a look. If you have questions, reach out to us. We're actively looking for folks who kind of want to jump on and explore implementing these solutions and researching new designs. Here's a picture of some of the sensors that we have. This is one of our bigger ones. We do have some smaller, more man-packable mobile solutions. And again, yeah, please take a chance, take a look through here. We have many of folks from Peraton Labs who would be interested in chatting with you if you're looking for a position in this area. So this is about understanding what's going on in the spectrum, but there's also scenarios where you want to use infrastructure and it's hard to use existing infrastructure because maybe you have a device that's not capable, or you have something like you may be far too mobile. So 4G, 5G standards have certain limits on how fast you can move. Typically, they consider scenarios where you have a pedestrian models where people are moving through urban cities, or you are on a train. But if you are on a wireless test range that maybe like Edwards Air Force Base or something like that, it would be fairly advantageous for aircraft to be able to use existing infrastructure for comms, and they can't do that because they're moving too fast. So there are solutions out there, but they are typically not unidirectional, or they're specialized. So we have a product called Velocite, which attempts to address this problem as well. Again, point you to the lab's website right here, where it is a smart informed Doppler precompensation, so that you can essentially run in C-band up to Mach 1, L-band Mach 4, I want to say, and close links with existing commercial infrastructure. So we've demoed this to a degree recently and have pretty high bidirectional data rates whereby you can use that infrastructure. So it's an array of it's a hardware applique that goes on top of a COTS UE that is, of course, mobile, and a smart software handover solution that gets embedded into the G Node B. So again, we've tested this for 4G, and we have some plans coming up for 5G. So just wanted to cite those two types of programs. If any of these things seem of interest, talk to anybody from Peraton Labs around here. If you guys don't mind, I'll raising your hand real quickly so people know, or when you're chatting, you hear somebody's from Peraton Labs. Yeah, by all means, we're looking for lots of people, whether it's RF machine learning, data science, just general SDR, comms development. Yeah, we're looking to hire. Final thing I will say is yesterday's talk, Luke Bogner presented some RFML work. Josh talked about how to properly do some GR debugging, which was very nice. And then I guess Thursday, Dr. Garrett Van Oy is going to be chatting about inference as DSP, and then we have a few workshops in the house. So again, very happy to be here, and happy to answer any questions afterwards, but definitely took more than my time. Thanks.